In exercise 612, what we basically have is a plate with a hole in the middle and then 4 holes going around the right side, or going around the outside. I already have the front view, or we could call this the top view, we could call it the front view, either way is fine. And what I'm going to be focusing on is going to be the section view for this one. But I want to go ahead and draw in a section line. That way I have just something that I can kind of work with to show where the section line is going to be. Every company is going to have their own standard for how the section lines are created, so we're just going to basically draw something that lets me know that this is where the section is being cut from. And then I'm going to use the break command, which is BR, to just break it in the middle. That way I don't have that line that cuts through the whole thing. So now to start this, I'm going to go to shift right click and go to OSNAP settings and make sure that I have my quadrants turned on, because I'm going to be projecting a lot off of the quadrants. So I'll start by creating a line that just projects to right here, which is basically the corner, lower right corner point for where this view would be. So now I know that 1/2 inch off of here is where I need to start my next view. So I'll just project off of here 0.5, and then I'll draw the 0.5, which is the thickness of this top plate. We'll project this up to here and basically just finish this rectangle, and then I'm going to go ahead and erase that construction line. So now with this, I need to project over my circle. So we've got this one here, and I'm going to kind of just copy this using the quadrants. That way I only have to draw one of those circles. So now if I look at my section view, right here, I'm cutting through material. Right here, no material is being cut. Then I'm cutting through material again here. And then for this hole, no material is being cut. And then we're cutting through material, no material, and material. So the areas where there's material being cut is where I'm actually going to be putting in the hatching. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on hatch. And for my pattern, I want ANSI 31, and I'm going to left click here, 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 and here, and then I can say enter. And that is essentially exercise 6-12. It's a very, very simple section view. The point behind this is just starting to learn where you need to put the hatching, and that is going to be in the areas that are being cut, not necessarily in the areas where there is a void.